All right, the biggest news that we are tracking for you remains the NEET UG result. And this result is finally out, and the National Testing Agency, or the NTA, has declared this NEET result 2026, allowing candidates to download their scorecards from the official NTA NEET 2026 scorecard portal. Along with this, the NEET 2026 result, the agency has also released key statistics, including the number of qualified candidates and the highest scores secured in the re-examination. The declaration of the NTA NEET result comes after the release of the final answer key, which included revisions to multiple questions. The revised answer key formed the basis for preparing the re-NEET result and awarding marks to candidates. Well, let's have a look at some of the details of the NEET results now that we are discussing this, and the NTA has released so many stats. So let's take a look at those stats. Remember that in this entire exam was mirrored in controversy, and now that the re-exam was held and now the results are also out. So let's look at some of the stats. The overall pass percentage is 56.5%. So out of all the students who appeared, only 56.5% have cleared the examination. We also told you that it's around 11.21 lakh students who have managed to clear this re-examination. Let's look at the qualifying rate for the girls, which stands at around 56.8%. So girls, more than half the girls who appeared for the exams have managed to clear the exam, which is 56.8% of the total number of girls who appeared for it. And the qualifying rate for the boys stands at around 55.1%. So clearly we are seeing that the girls are outperforming the boys by 1.7 percent points over here in this examination. So these are the stats that have been released by the National Testing Agencies. Girls outshining the boys in these results. Now let's look at some of the students and the numbers who have registered for this exam. Around 22,79,743 students actually registered for the re-NEET examination, and then out of that over 20 lakh students appeared and 11 lakh students qualified. So you are seeing how these stats are coming out. There has been a decrease by 11% as compared to the 2025 results. Let's also look at the toppers who have secured a load of marks. We are bringing out those marks as well. 715 out of 720. So both of them are All India rank 1, Aryan Gupta, and we have Panchul Bansal. So both of them scoring the exact same, which is 715 out of 720, only 5 marks less, and they are the toppers of the re-NEET UG 2026 re-examination over here. These statistics have been released by the National Testing Agency, obviously trying to bring in a lot of transparency in this exam process after it was mirrored in fact controversy. Let me go across to my colleague Rumi Mishra, who joins us with some more interesting details regarding this entire examination. Rumi, over to you, please.
After a long battle with the government, in fact, including protests and a lot of tears shed after the paper leak when the NEET UG examination was held for the first time, students have now found relief as they have seen the NEET UG retest exam results. 11.21 lakh candidates have qualified this retest. Remember, qualification is of course based on obtaining 50 percentile in the exam, which means you have to score more than 50% students who have appeared for the test in case if you want to qualify for the examination. Once someone qualifies for the exam, they're of course then moving on to they're going to sit for the counseling processes that are held for the NEET UG exam, whether that's for the government colleges of MBBS, for BDS, Ayush or other programs, or for private colleges. Remember, Shivani, of the 138 top candidates who have scored above 690, 93% of them cracked their examination on the first attempt, with 99% of them aged between 17 and 19 years. So a lot of young students have cleared the examination this time around and proved their mettle in this examination, which was also administered in 13 languages, including English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Punjabi and Bengali. Uttar Pradesh, of course, generated the highest number of successful candidates with over 1.7 lakh qualifiers, while Lakshadweep recorded 43. The top 17 ranks were, of course, distributed across 8 states like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. Remember, we now have pictures of the toppers as well. 2 students scored 715 out of 720, which of course means that they got negative marking in one question, which is why they just missed out one question in the whole examination, scoring 715 in the test. Yes, Shivani.
All right, Rumi, thank you so much for